The proverb necessity hath no law or knows no law is a reflection of the idea that when faced with urgent or dire circumstances, individuals may be compelled to take actions that they would not otherwise consider. This expression conveys the notion that necessity can lead people to override legal or moral principles in the pursuit of survival or resolving critical issues. At its core, this saying highlights the powerful influence of necessity on human behavior. When individuals find themselves in situations where their well being, safety, or survival is at stake, they may prioritize those immediate needs over legal or ethical considerations. Necessity in such circumstances is seen as a force that can compel individuals to make choices that they might regret in more ordinary circumstances. The concept is particularly relevant in the context of law and justice. It acknowledges that under exceptional circumstances, individuals may resort to actions that violate established laws, norms, or ethical codes. In legal theory, this principle is referred to as the doctrine of necessity, which allows for certain legal exceptions when there is an immediate and compelling need to prevent a greater harm. For example, in cases of self defense, individuals may be permitted to use force to protect themselves or others in response to an imminent threat. Similarly, during emergencies such as natural disasters, authorities may enact temporary measures or restrictions to safeguard public safety, even if they infringe on certain rights or legal standards. The saying is also applicable in personal ethics and decision making. It recognizes the complexity of ethical dilemmas when individuals are faced with conflicting moral principles. In such situations, the necessity of preserving life or well being can challenge one's adherence to established ethical norms. While this proverb highlights the potential for necessity to supersede the law or ethical standards, it is important to note that this does not absolve individuals of accountability. Legal systems generally provide for the examination of circumstances to determine whether an action was truly necessary, and there are moral and legal consequences for violations. In conclusion, the proverb necessity hath no law or knows no law is a reflection of the powerful impact of necessity on human decision making and behavior. It acknowledges the potential for individuals to prioritize immediate needs over established laws or ethical principles when faced with exceptional circumstances. While it highlights the complex and sometimes conflicting nature of ethical dilemmas, it does not absolve individuals of accountability for their actions, and legal and moral consequences may still apply. Thank you for being till the end of this video. Please subscribe the channel because your support is paramount for me.